Round 32,368 to the nearest hundred. We want to round this number to the nearest hundred. Before getting to this question, let's write the place value of each digit. We'll start from right. 8 is in the ones place. This is the tens place. Hundreds. Thousands. 10,000s. To solve this question, we have to follow some rules. Here are the rules. Because we are rounding this number to the nearest hundred, so we have to look at the hundreds place. So this is the hundred place. And what's the first rule? Let's read the first rule. The first rule is look right to the place one less than place you are rounding. So we are at the hundreds place here, and we have to look right and move to the place one less than the place we are rounding. So this means we have to look at the tens place. Okay. And what number is in the tens place? The digit 6. Okay. If that digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, if that digit, this digit is 6, so this means this is greater than 5. Okay, we will follow this rule. And we have to, if that digit is greater than 5, then we have to round up and increment by 1. Okay, because we are rounding this number, so we have to look to the right and we have to see that if this number is 5 or greater than 5, okay, and we have to round up. We have to round up. We have to see this number, but we have to round this number. We have to round the numbers in the hundreds place because we are rounding nearest to 100. Okay, so what will be the number? 32,000. And the number in the hundreds place is 3. We have to see the numbers in the tens place, which is 6, which is greater than 5. So we are following this rule and we are going to increment this 3 by 1, and this will be 4. And the rest of the digits in tens and in the zero places will be 0. So this is the rounded form of the number. Let's take another example. Suppose we have to round 32,348. This is a little bit different example from this one. Here we had 368 and here we have 348. We have to round this number to the nearest 100. So first of all, we should look at the hundreds place. This is the hundreds place. Let me write it here, hundreds. And what we have to do now, we have to look to the right side of this place. Means the place one less than the place we are rounding. So we are rounding here hundreds, and the place one less than this one is the tens place. And we have the digit 4 in the tens place. Okay, move on to the second rule. The second rule is if that digit, is greater than or equal to 5. No, it's 4. So we are not going to follow this one. We will follow this one because here we have 4 and this rule is about the less than 5, right? If this digit is less than 5, then we will round down. Okay, we will round down this digit. Here, round down doesn't mean that we are going to decrease this number because round down means same digit will come. So this number will be 32,000, the same digit, 3, and with 2 zeros, 300. 32,300 is the answer of this question.